Hey everybody, Jacob Guar here, changing out front rotors real quick. So, real simple. All you do is take your brake calipers off here, undo the two screws here, get the center bolt off here, hub will come right off. Alright, got your two screws out, your center hub mount out. Now we just gotta take the brake caliper off, which is just these two bolts back here. Then take this whole thing off, replace it with a brand new one. Show you how that looks here in the end a little bit here. And so here's a quick pointer tip. These nubs here, you bend them in after you put them back on, just like that guy right there. But to bend them out, I just use this quick little extension right here and a hammer. Those little nubs came right out nice and even, so you can bend them back in. Quick little tip, it'll help out in the end. Alrighty everybody, got the brand new hubs on, looks nice and clean, brake calipers is hooked up, everything's working perfectly fine. That's what it's supposed to look like. So now we're doing the back hubs here, getting this guy off, get the brake calipers up and out of the way. Unscrewing these two screws that I was telling you guys about earlier. Now all we gotta do is pop her off. Just got the new hubs on the back. Getting ready to put new brakes in. We'll be done. Bam! Getting ready to drop her down now. Back hubs are officially on, brand new. Brakes are ready to rock and roll. Thumbs up right there, guys.